Business today is a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape. We live in a world that's seeing technological advancements, reshaping entire industries, businesses wanting to constantly innovate, come up with ideas that help them differentiate and be distinct. If you think about the roles that we have today within the world of business, these roles in the current form did not exist a decade ago, and that shows us how quickly the world of business is evolving. That is what business for me today is. My name is Feroz Bayat, and I'm the head of business at UA92. As a student, what you want to learn is knowledge and skills that help you not only be successful in the world of business today, but also the world of business in the future. At UA92, we believe in creating real-world opportunities, co-delivering and designing a curriculum with our industry partners. You'll be working on internships, work experience opportunities, live projects with our partners, and finally creating an entrepreneurial mindset. So even though you may not want to start a business of your own, being entrepreneurial means being innovative within a business, being a disruptor within an existing bigger business as well.
The only one that kind of left a lasting impression was UA92 on the day. So I thought, why not give it a shot? Came up for an open day and kind of opened my eyes. Actually, I was more interested in the uni than where I was. It just ticked every box. Taking the course as well was an extra plus. Kind of is best of both worlds to some degree. I could get a lot of experience, but also I could learn effectively with people that are relevant in the fields and industries that I want to go into.